you can get store-bought mince pies, but these simple, homemade ones really do just take minutes to make, and they are so much tastier. They're also completely vegan. You will need a rolling pin, a muffin tray, a cooling rack, and 2 sizes of round circles, one for the bottom of the pies and one for the top. I use store-bought puff pastry, which can also come gluten-free. I use a store brand Mince, nothing fancy, and icing sugar. Now you're ready to go.
Cold outside, it tingles in my heart. Breathing air that clears my mind, I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. I'm walking around making small talk with people that pass me by. I share a laugh, it gives me joy that everyone's having a good time. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. No, it's the time of year, winter wonderland. My winter wonderland. It's the time of year, my winter wonderland. My winter wonderland. I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day.